Here's a review and installation video on the Andersen Luminaire sliding screen door. This is very simple. They say it takes less than 30 minutes to install. I would agree. So there's 4 parts there. There's 2 sides, and then there's the top and the bottom rail. And they just kind of click together like this, and it's adjustable between 32 and 36 inches wide. So you set it to one or the other depending on how wide your thing is going to be. And there are letter codes to tell you which part goes into which hole, so it's pretty hard to screw up. So setting it up for a 36-inch door, I just push it into the 36 level. You can see the 32 on the left. If we'd had a 32-inch door, we would set it there. And then I just use that little plastic deal into that little oblong hole right there, make it click, and it is set. And then on the other side, there's a little bit of slider room so that you can adjust it sideways back and forth to get the perfect fit. And then once you want to put it in your door frame, there is just a little flange, and you drill a screw into the side of the door to hold it in place. But before you do that, you want to kind of dry run it and see if it gets past your doorknob, and just decide if you want it near your doorknob when it's open or when it's closed. So I've got all 6 screws in place, and it's held in on the sides. Now all we've got to do is deal with the bottom. It comes with this little metal flange that's supposed to drill into a metal door sill, but you can see it doesn't reach far enough to get to the door sill, so we're going to have to either drill it into concrete or find some other solution for it. So we'll figure that out later, but this is what it looks like installed. So it's automatically opening. You just push the button and it opens, and then if you want to shut it, you just grab it, drag it across, and it will lock automatically. So in terms of functionality, thumbs up, big thumbs up, easy to install. There's the part number if you want to buy one of these. I do like the way it works.